All right, and we're gonna go for a ride in this beauty. And today I'm gonna show you a bike check. So let's get going. Hey, so I just wanted to do a bike check on my Brooklyn Machine Works V2. I got this bike off of eBay. If you guys haven't seen the video when I first brought it up, I've always wanted one of these. Super well-made frames out in New York, but let's get into it. So last time I had the Brooklyn seat post with the Salatelli saddle that came with it. I since changed that to a Thompson Elite seat post 29.8 with a Brooks C15, my bad. As well as I put a Thompson, one of these old ones, apparently they don't make them no more, but it's a Thompson with a 2.6 clamp on it, 110 millimeters. And then I got these off of a bike shop here in San Antonio, 1181s. I just got them because I like how the shape of them are, with some Suka, very grippy grips. Original fork, apparently this also was repainted. I love this color. I got these wheels off of a friend in Los Angeles, Thunder Thighs at USPS, aka Brandon. Shout out to him for giving me a hookup on these wheels. So they're Ace Plus Suns, not sure on the spokes, but Philwood 32 hole. Same with the rear with 19 tooth Philwood cog and lock ring. The other side, I have a 17-year-old Asia cog that just pretty much needs a lock ring. I got an Izumi chain, nothing too fancy there, with some MKS Mash SF large cages and some MKS double leather straps. Had these for a while, but ended up committing these pedals to this specific frame. I got some Sugino 75s, 165 millimeters length. I got them here local. Good deal. Could not imagine I got these. And then this is the first ever Aaron chainring that I've ever bought. Love it. Great quality. Super smooth. And I'm happy to buy another one coming soon. The bottom bracket is just a Sugino Messenger. I didn't want to, get the ball bearing. I'm not the best person when it comes to maintaining them. But yeah. Tires. The rear is a Panaracer. Ribmo. I have actually, I don't know. But there you go. Front is a Victoria. I'm gonna soon change that out to probably a gator skin setup, not sure, or maybe just another set of Panaracers, but we'll see. But yeah, that's build 5 P5. Oh, and I almost forgot, original Brooklyn headset, and then some top cap that came on another bike that I just decided to put on here. But yeah, love this bike. Me being out on the road, it's a little hard to give this love, but when I'm home, I try to give it as much as I can. But yeah, that's my Brooklyn Machine Works V2. Thanks for watching.